Use Superscript for citing your sources in AMA 11th. You start your superscript with the number 1 and then go up in numerical order for each added source you want to cite in your paper. Place superscript numerals inside colons and semicolons without a space and outside all other punctuations like full stops, commas, parentheses, and quotation marks, again without a space. Use commas without spaces to show that more than one source has been cited. When citing 3 or more sequential sources, use a hyphen to join the first and last numbers. Remember, no spaces. Once you've given a source a number, it will keep that number, no matter how often it is used throughout your paper. And as always, contact the library to learn more.